You know egusi soup and you know ogbono soup, but you don't know this one. Because if you do, you would wonder why isn't this a national dish? Abeg, send somebody to go and buy you meat already. Once you have meat, you are going to properly season it using onions, salt, and a seasoning cube. Add water to submerge the meat and stir to combine. Because you want something tasty and yummy. While the meat is cooking, send another person to go and buy you groundnut because you are going to toast it briefly. Toasting. Turn it out and let it cool briefly. Back to the meat in the pot. If you don't have stock fish, you can use stock cube. Stock is stock. Covering. Opening. You must have dried fish. You must have water too. In fact, lots of water. Enough to cook the meat. Covering. So we add the blender into the groundnut. Then we add water into the blender. Then we do the magic switch. You can see how this looks. To the meat on fire, we add the crayfish, more water, more stirring. Stirring. Oil can come in at this point. Stir well. Taste for salt. Cover and cook. Now is the time to add the main ingredients. Mind you, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do. I promise to do everything you like. This is me attempting to cut pepper like a pro. In fast forward. Pepper the soup. Salt should follow. Stir and taste. Add bitterleaf. Stir. Abeg, look for another person and send them to go and buy you ikwere fufu. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.